Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious curry chicken recipe. Y'all know I love me some curry chicken, child. But this turned out so good and I wanted to share it with you guys. You already know I'm going to wash my chicken, but it's up to you what you do. I'm just going to wash it up in some vinegar and water and it'll be good to go. Next, I'm going to work on the seasoning paste, which is scallions, garlic, cilantro, a half of a habanero pepper. Be careful with that because it is super hot. If you don't like heat, use a quarter of it or remove all the seeds and you'll be good to go, because regardless, it's going to have a lot of flavor. So to the chicken, I'm going to add the seasoning paste, of course, the curry powder. I'm going to use the all-purpose chicken seasoning and some granulated garlic and salt. Now, if you can pretty much use any all-purpose seasoning, but make sure you watch your sodium. Make sure you know the type of salt or sodium that's in the seasoning that you're using so that you don't oversalt your chicken. And then you want to mix it up and allow it to marinate. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. This probably marinated 30 minutes, if that. I started cooking dinner a little late this evening. I think this was a few days ago. And so only marinated for maybe 30 minutes. But it's for sure way better overnight. So to my melted butter and oil, I'm going to add some curry powder. And what you're doing here is basically burning the curry. It's going to, pungent the flavor as well as just, make it nice and ready and good to go. So now I'm going to add the chicken down in here. I'm going to spread it out, cover it, low heat, and allow it to create its own liquid. All right, so in this bowl, I have ginger, I have carrots, I have potato, I have a bell pepper, I have a large shallot. If your shallot is too small, use two of them. I have a couple allspice berries and some fresh thyme. This is the rice I'll be using. Remember, I told you guys about that sale that was in Kroger. I got this really good rice for only $2 because they're having a closed out sale. So if you have a Kroger by you, go to the rice aisle and check to see if they have a closed out sale in your city or state. So this is what the chicken looks like after about 35 minutes. I left it alone. I added no liquid to this. I didn't do anything. This is my first time opening the pot. And it made all its own liquid. So now I'm going to add the vegetables as well as some water. And I'm going to cover it back up and allow it to cook down. Once it cooks down like this, you're pretty much done. I can't even tell y'all how delicious this smells, the ginger and the garlic. But now I'm going to move on to the rice. I'm going to finish the rice with cilantro and lime. I pretty much just cooked the rice from the directions. The directions on the box, cook the rice. Then I added the juice of 1 lime and about a couple tablespoons of cilantro, and that's the rice. And this is another shot at the chicken. Once I was completely done with it, the gravy is nice and thick, and now I'm going to plate it up. Like I was saying previously, I can't even tell you how aromatic this smells. I think it's that seasoning paste. It always catches me off guard when I use it in like my Caribbean recipes. And so, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's a quick one. I'm going on a quick little trip and I wanted to drop y'all a recipe before I left. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, you guys.